Okay, here we are in week 6. This week our focus is on critical theory, Sigmund Freud, and psychoanalysis. Just a little bit of a focus on kind of what's going on in the characters' heads. If you were to be some sort of a psychologist, how would you look at these characters and what's going on with them? Because there are some definite psychological issues with some of the characters, particularly Dr. Manette, or Manet. Let's look at what we're going to be doing this week. First of all, let me tell you, I'm not going to be around Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the 8th, 9th, and 10th. I'm going to be at a conference, so you will be able to contact Mrs. Dahman. Many of you had her last year for English 11 if you have any English questions. Otherwise, I'll be back on Thursday. So this week you're going to read chapters 17 through 20 and check your understanding quizzes. Then you're going to read and watch this Intro to Critical Theory, Freud, and Psychoanalysis. It's a book, so you're going to click through it and read everything. There was a video, but that video isn't working anymore, so just skip that part. You're going to take the survey on what lenses you're wearing, and that will make sense when you read the survey. And then everyone is going to discuss reading perspectives or lenses. So if you were a farmer, how would you read A Tale of Two Cities? What things would you focus on? If you were a politician, a historian, a novelist, a poet, a young teenager, whatever. So you will choose different perspectives and say what you would look for, what kinds of things you would focus on as you read the book, because this book can appeal to many different types of people with different lenses or interests. Moving on, there's a quiz for the general group, and then for every group there's a reading log, so make sure you update that reading log and get that submitted in this week. And at the end of the week, you will discuss your creative project just quickly with your group. Remember, find your group number and just give us an update. Where are you? What have you accomplished? What have you chosen to focus on? And how far have you gotten, and what questions do you have? And then I will be adding the extra credit Twitter. I haven't added that yet. I'll add that right now. And you will just tweet for extra credit. Make sure you take a screenshot of your tweet in Twitter to get the extra credit. And that's it for week 6. Let me know if you have any questions.